Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to remove line break from text or paragraph on your Wix website. So as you can see, right now I'm on my Wix site editor. So also you have to open your Wix site editor first and then search for the paragraph or text. So as you can see, here's my paragraph and here you can see line break after font. Also after works, here's a line break. Now all you have to need to remove line break from a paragraph, just increase or make bigger the paragraph box by clicking and dragging here like this, and as you can see, I'm increasing my box width or size, and at the same time my line break is removing from my paragraph. And that's it. This is how we can actually remove line break from Wix text. And now I'm going to add a enter to make a line break. Then I will show you how you can remove the line break. So I'm going to giving a enter after letters, and here you can see the line has been breaked. And now as you can see, the box is bigger but the line break is not removing. So in this case you have to edit your text, and then so all you have to need, just tap on backspace to remove the enter, and the line break will be deleted. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.